Yes. Happy New You. Yes. Um, I just wanted to talk to you today for a minute, because it's a new year. And, I just want you guys to understand that I've been woodshedding for the past 3 weeks and really getting some things together. And you'll see me coming out with some great stuff this year. It's all about me this year. So if it's all about me, it's all about you. Because when we're doing us to the fullest, this is what creates the magic. And people are happy, they're not complaining, and they're connected with like-minded people, and the energy just continues and continues and continues. So Happy New Year. I want you to understand that this flip into 2009 it's going to be divine. It's literally going to be divine for most of us who understand that no one is stopping you. No one is in your way. There's not an energy out there that can create something bad for you unless that's what you believe. It's about you walking your path, you being authentic, and you taking care of you. And by taking care of you, and I really want to shout out to the single mothers out there who have been doing all the work, or the single fathers, that you can't put all your energy into your children because they're going to be spoiled and they're going to think that somebody's supposed to do for them on everything. I want you to understand that you have to put into you so they will learn how to take care of themselves. I don't want to hear, again, I'm doing this for my children. No, you're doing it for you. You are just being a martyr when you say you're doing it for your children. You're passing the buck. You're doing it for you. You have to be selfish so you can be selfless. And I want you to understand that that's a skill. To be selfish is to think about you, but not in a way where it's narcissistic. It's in a way where you understand that if you're not okay, nobody's going to be okay. You have to be okay. So I want you to go into 2019 as a happy new you. Reinvent yourself tonight and be exactly who you want to be. What is it that you want to do? Go into serious thought, serious visualization, hypnotizing yourself, reprogramming yourself. Just meditate on what you want and how you see yourself in the world. You want to be a millionaire? Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and start seeing yourself as a millionaire in your mind. So your subconscious mind can connect to that reality and not this reality that you've created. And then what you want to do is whatever you want to do. Be a better parent, lose weight. See yourself as an in shape person, the best of the best. And then after you visualize it and take it in deep into your subconscious mind, seeing it in colors, seeing yourself around great people, wealthy people, or people who are in shape, then start doing the work that it takes. If you're trying to get in shape, take an exercise class. And not only take an exercise class, but exercise in your own home. You have to do you. Do some push-ups, do some sit-ups, walk around the goddamn block. Really, that's all you need to do. Do some push-ups and some sit-ups and walk around the block. Exercise, you don't have to be a weekend warrior. See, a lot of people between the 1st and the 21st is going to just go hard at the gym. That's when the gyms go up. They go hard, but then they quit because they're going too hard. I got to get in shape quick. No. Take your time, do 15, 20 minutes a day. Just do it every day or at least 4 times a week. You will see yourself gradually get in shape. A lot of people want to fast. I'm going to fast now. I'm going to go on a 20-day fast. Won't you just fast off of junk food? Start eating well. Start eating better. and do intermediate fasts. Like try fasting from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. You sleep half the time. So let's start being reasonable and stop being so extreme. Okay? Because when you're extreme, you're going to quit. Because it's going to wear you out. So start reprogramming yourself. Start, even when you're going for money, you don't have to make $1 million in January. Set up systems. This is how you make money. This is how you make money. And enjoy it. Let me give you this. Love what you do. Find something that you love. Do what you love. And do it. Now, that doesn't necessarily make you rich. This is what makes you rich. When you find out the financial way to make money off of what you love is how you become wealthy. You have to find out the financial way of how to make money on doing what you love. That's a whole different set of rules compared to doing what you love. Because you can do what you love and not make money. But the other part of that is find the financial system that it's going to take to make money on doing what you love. Find the financial system and do what you love. You merge those, then you can make money. Okay? So I want you to start thinking about what is it that you want to do? What is it you want to create? But again, find the financial system that connects with it. Then you'll make money. Okay? Don't just think, I want to do what I love and I'll be happy. No, you won't, because you won't be happy being broke. That's not true happiness. You'll fake yourself into thinking that. But connect it to the financial system with what you love. Then you'll make money. Like, what am I doing? Right now, I got all this passive income. I've been doing all this, been doing the passive income thing. And it's great with the passive income, doing it, helping people, setting people up where they're making money. Well, now it's time to put most of my stuff on autopilot, even the Forex, and start doing what I love. And that's getting this message out to the world. Living your best life, being authentic, having great relationships, making money, being happy, getting well, doing things that can change the quality of people's lives. So I've got my passive thing going, still got that going. I trade the Forex, but I'm getting off of that again because I go in and out because I have other things to do. So I'm going to automate it. Okay? So these are the things that you set up in your life but you know, as I'm doing passive, I'm always trying to find the money in it. Where can I make the money? Now I'm getting into that, more into the active income, where I'm setting up seminars, trainings. And I told you I was going to do that. I'm setting up seminars and trainings online. Now, what is that going to do? That's going to create I'm going to do it live, but it's going to create something, a passive income where people can buy it after I film it. After people take the class, it will be filmed, so now people can buy it. So now it becomes another passive income. So every time I'm doing something, training, tape it, now it's a passive income. But I'm out there touring around the country getting that active income, which creates passive income. Okay? Investments, Bitcoin, Forex, stock market, businesses, real estate, all that going. But my serious active income is doing me. Okay? Happy new me. Happy new you. So that's my style, and that's what I'm doing. What are you doing to create the life that you want for you? So it's magical. You understand what I'm saying? You want that magical life that You are living life on your terms. See, I don't have to work corporate America. I don't have to speak at corporations unless they really want me. I don't think they can handle this level because I'm not really a corporate person. However, the people want me. The people want me. So the people are going to pay me. The people are going to invest in me. And at the same time, I'm taking that money, investing, and helping them make money too. You see how it works? So I become complete for the people. Right? So, in other words, just because corporate America or Hollywood doesn't particularly want me, or I really don't particularly want them. I don't want to put on a dress to make it. I'm a 60-year-old man. What role are they going to have me play in Hollywood? I really have no interest. The role that I'm playing, they're not even thinking about having me. The closest thing to me as an older man is when they had the commercial with the alcohol drinking with the dude with the beer with the two women on the side of him, the most interesting man in the world. Then they got rid of that dude and got a new guy, probably because the old dude wanted a raise because he was hot. And the new guy came in and fucked up the commercial. I don't even know the last time I seen that commercial. But that's me. Okay, that's who I am. And Hollywood's not doing that. So I gotta be, they're not giving roles like that to older black men. So I've got to create that in real life for real. The most interesting man in the world. Okay? He got a beard, I got a beard. He got women, I got women. Only difference is he drinks alcohol, I'll drink juice. Okay? He drink gin and juice, I just drink juice. Maybe urban juice. So my point is, that's my reality. And I'm living it and I'm creating it. So what's going on with that? Because of that, I'm not only reinventing myself, but I'm getting healthier and stronger because I'm loving me some me. And I'm loving doing what I want to do in this life. And I'm creating my reality on a daily basis. Okay? I have women being attracted to me all around the world. So I got to get out there. I got to see some of these women that are attracted to me online. I got to go out there and teach and touch the people. Women coming into town to see me and different projects, different business opportunities coming my way. So I have to really start, it's like this won't be a long video. I'm about to end it because to pay for the real information, and I'm giving you gems. But the systems that I'm going to be teaching, that people are going to have to pay for it. I've done the work. I've done all the FB Live videos. It was great. It was fun. But going into 2019, I told you before, this would be ending. I'll still do 15-minute, types, but no more hour long. Let's pay. Let's pay. I know my work. I practice, got good at it. Now I'm great at it. So now it's the next level. Okay? So what are you doing? What are you getting good at? What skills are you developing? What is your greatness? So, Happy New You. 2019 will be divine. 2019 will be divine. It's your time. Create your reality. You're worth it. Love yourself. Be selfish so you can be selfless. Be selfish so you can be selfless. I'm about to hit the gym. Get some workout. Because you got to stay in shape. That's what it's about. Okay? Dwayne Mooney. Peace and prosperity.